So the medicines of the earth. We need, the extracts of the herbs, the plants, the flowers, the vegetables. We can use the blenders and the strainers for extracting the juices. And yes, we can have minerals for the medicinal use. So natural medicine is important, but the foundation is a raw vegan, raw vegetarian diet, at least 80% raw. Because why do we have a medical system that permits the world to have fast food, McDonald's, fried food, pork, destroyed animals, ovens, and then they, in their hospitals, serve bread that have been through the oven, the pigs, the fried food, and then you sell pills? You're all idiots. This is a disaster. This is going against the common sense law. If you give pills to the people, at least give them a raw vegan, raw vegetarian diet, a healthy diet with raw foods. But serving to your hospitals fried food and pigs, that means that you are the worst enemy of the Mother Earth. You will pay your sins. The ones that are organizing this crazy system that doesn't work. Because we already know, the law is raw vegan, raw vegetarian. And we need raw medicines from the earth. If you want to create some minerals and vitamins, that's fantastical. But, don't be a liar. The word is, don't be the devil. Because people like us have suffered 15 years, 20 years, 2,000 years of telling the truth, which is raw vegan, raw vegetarian with minerals and vitamins. And if you want some medicines with minerals and whatever, but you are hiding the truth. You are giving the TV shows every lunch for the families and the wars. And then you are giving them fast food and sodas with white sugar and fried food and the ovens. You are all the devil. And you will pay for your sins. It's easy. Naturopathy, modern science, a little bit more seriousness, and no idiots. Because we are suffering the consequences, everyone. I am emailing 1,000 emails a week. And I have no responses from the institutions, and all of you are recorded in the registers of the Christ. You are making difficult times to the families finding their good families. And all of you know already what's the truth. The raw vegan, raw vegetarian diet with minerals, herbs, vitamins, exercise, good interiorism. So that's the message. We have to respect our masters. Who are the masters? The ones that walked before us, that did the correct thing, which is all the vegetarian religions, the raw vegan, raw vegetarian religions. We have to have a clean temple. So all of you that are practicing religion with dirty temples, you are the devil. We need clean temples. The body is the temple of the earth. We need to come back to the earth. And we need to listen with the heart and the ears, the truth. The truth. Every moment, every second. The heart and the ears. And you have harmed the earth. Why? Because I told you what to do 15 years ago. I told you what to do. And you were like doing crazy. Jesus, come on. You know the truth. Raw vegan, raw vegetarian, superfoods, minerals, vitamins, sport, healthy exercise, no medications and obligations. Because you are harming our psychologists, our psychology, global psychology, flat earth psychology. You are harming the earth. Why? Because you are using technology to numb people, and that's illegal in the Christ world. and all of you will pay, the ones that are doing the wrong thing. You have been warned by me, my friends, naturopaths, holistic doctors. We're all telling the same. And after some months, you change the channels, you change the things, you change the vitamins, and you hide the truth. But God multiplies. And God wins. God wins. You, the sinners, will pay. Because you have been warned. So tell the truth. Tell the truth. Tell the truth. Tell the truth. Right?